gotta say my name. You ain't gotta say my name. And you ain't gotta say a thing. Just know that I am here. And you ain't gotta.
Welcome to Zach Munham L channel with me, Zach. Before we go into the video that I'm going to share with you, I just want to say thank you so much to those who keeps on supporting me, leaving good comments, and also DM me, and I really appreciate it. So this is not about how many subscribers I have, but it is more on how I express my passion and also what I like about this hobby. So today's episode, we have something new in the house. I'm really excited to share with you guys. So this is it. It's OMP M5. Look at the box. Wow, it's really nice. It's a color printed box, and we are going to do unboxing video. So I'm going to share what is inside the box and maybe some close-up video on the quality of the parts and some details about the specification. And I will share with you guys also about my electronic setup that I'm going to use with this helicopter. And last but not least is the flight video. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Okay, so inside this big box you are going to get, right, so as usual you're going to see 1, 2, 3, the big one, a smaller one, and the long box one. So let's start with the small box, and let's take this out. So what is inside this box? So you're going to get this main blade holder. Oh, okay, so I believe this is the 30 some, right, with the numbers. Okay, so we are going to refer to the manual when we are assembling this. And then we have this, so we have this main blade holder, right? Swash blade, some small screw, some bearing block, small screw, this one, okay, more plastic. Okay, I couldn't recognize what is this until I assemble it, but it's okay. It's fun, you know, to do this unboxing and see all the parts. Just prepare your mind to assemble all this. The push rod guide, the belt and the tail case. What else do we have? The boom mount. Look at that. We have the main shaft, the main gear, and the auto rotation gear. Screw. This one I believe is the servo mount. Okay, quick guess. Oh, you already see my tail fin, so you already know what color scheme did I choose. The battery tray. So every kit comes with 2 battery tray. That's the best part. Okay, so thanks OMPHOBBY. What else? A few more left. We have a bunch of screws. This servo horn, metal servo horn. A gift. It's a gift. Okay. Alright. Auto rotation bracket. And tail fin. So so you know what color scheme did I choose. Okay, and oh, there's one more. I believe that's the last one. Try and circuit. Okay, so that's for the first box. This box, this box, and you get all this, all the parts. I believe this is for the main frame, for the boom and the tail and everything. It's all in one box. So where are the frames? Okay, so let's move on to the next box. Okay, so let's move on to this one. Because I did not choose the package with the main blade, so I ordered separately. So this long box is for the tail boom and also the push rod. There you go. Okay, OMP M5. I think that's it, because I did not choose package with the blade. Alright, let's put it aside. And last but not least, this big box, the biggest one. So let's take a look inside. Wow, okay, take a look at that. So they put some foam just to protect what's inside. Wow, okay. So this is the color scheme that I choose. It's a green color. Okay. Okay, that's a very nice color. I love this color. It's green and white. Look at that, M5. Okay, OMPHOBBY. And also inside this box, skid, white skid. I love that. Really nice. And last but not least, they also provide color printed manual. This is the one that I like. Just look at that. So you don't have to download the manual because they provide it. Thanks to OMPHOBBY, because they listen to their customers. So the customers have been requesting a color printed manual, and this is it. So it's very convenient. Okay, a very nice manual, very neat and very clear. Okay, so that's all you get in the whole package, the whole box. It depends. If you go for the whole package that comes with the ESC, the blades and everything, it will be slightly different. But generally, if you are ordering the helicopter kit, you are going to get like what I showed to you guys just now. So give me some time for me to assemble it, and I will explain more about the electronics that I chose to pair with this helicopter. Let's go. I'm sorry guys, I'm too excited until I forgot about the frame. I'm really sorry. So yeah, this frame is on the side of the last box. So the upper frame, okay, and also the lower frame. This is what I like. Look at that. Wow. All right, let's go.
I don't wanna know your name, cause I might just feel your pain. Might just risk my life to keep you dry when it rains. Might just fall in love, a little hug can make me stay. Mystics make me soft, just like a moth to a flame. Show me where's the crowd and I'll be proud to just obey. And if you're not around, then I'll be proud to take your place. I'ma roll this loud while I go down and relocate. And I'ma take a bow and then throw thousands in your face. I'm a G, I'm the centerpiece, you can't settle me. I repeat, we're my enemies, tell them come and see.
So this is for mini servo, 15 mm servo mount. This is the progress so far. So that is the sacrificial canopy mount, which is very good idea, very simple, very necessary to have. This is the main gear on the slot. Yes, the auto rotation gear. Oh. Nice. So this is the main shaft. The main shaft is 170 mm This is the gyro mount. I kind of like this rubber damper, just like drone. Initial mess, I don't know what it does, but definitely has been tested. Yeah. Alright, so we have just completed assembling the kit. So this is how it looks like. Maybe because of due to low light, maybe the image is not very clear, but I'll try to take another shot during daytime. So I love the build, quite detailed and quite different compared to other helis that I have assembled in the past. So for the electronics, so I'm not going to go fancy on this one as usual. For the cyclic servo, I'll be using the OC servo, the mini servo. For the rudder, I'll be using KST DS515 metal gear. For the gyro and receiver, definitely I'll be using Rotoflight. There, the Rotoflight there. Okay. And then for the model of 4220 1100 kb. Yeah, so nice. Nickel one. For the ESC, I'll be using ZTW 130 HV. Why I'm using this one instead of XD Fly? Because this is my old stock, so I'll utilize what I have. And then what else? Z Power 6000 milliamp. I just checked the size, it fit nicely. So let's continue on assembling the electronics and do the setup. I would recommend ESC that supports more than 6S for future stretch project. M6 uses 20mm upper, lower and main servo block instead of 15mm like the M5. OMP M6 uses 121T main gear, while M5 runs 115T main gear. For M6, you definitely need M6 tail boom, the belt and also the push rod. M5 support 550 to 580 mm main blade, while M6 support 580 to 610 mm main blade. For the battery tray, M5 and M6 share the same body frame, so you just need the M6 battery tray to complete the full stretch to M6. The rest of the part should be the same. Enjoy. Okay, let's fire up the ESC and see if everything is working. So far so good. Everything is working. Let's go.